Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Want to recreate any art style in Canva without designing from scratch? This trick will save you hours. Let me show you how. First, create a design in Canva. Pick your reference element, the style you want to copy. We'll be creating 3D art style. Duplicate the element so we'll see the difference. While the element is selected, click Edit Image. Browse the sidebar and search for the style match, then select the 3D art under Realistic. Wait for Canva to generate your element. And that's how you make Canva element into a 3D art style the easy way. This hack is perfect for coloring books, worksheet, busy books, social media graphics, and almost all niche you want to use 3D art. You can create multiple designs in the same style. Great for product bundles. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please support us by hitting like button. See you in my next video.